origami heart.
And I'm going to teach you how to make it. Should we start?
Yeah, do you want to show the example?
This is what I made earlier with my friend.
You're going to teach us how to make this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Super fun and easy, so follow along and have fun.
Yeah, and all you need is a square sheet of paper. So if you have origami paper, that's great. If not, you can cut a rectangle into a square and stick around till the end because we're gonna make a craft out of the hearts that we make.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Let's begin. I'm gonna do it on this side, but you can do it whatever side you want.
Okay.
So first, put it like a rhombus. A square.
Yeah.
And then fold it in half so it makes a triangle. You know?
Yeah, and then crease it.
Crease it. Open it, and then do the same thing on the other side. So turn it around and then fold it again. Then open it, and the creases are important. So take the top corner and fold it in, then crease it.
You mean to the very center point where
Yeah.
the cross is? Okay.
So you have like a little diamond shape.
Oh yeah.
You flip it over. And then after, take the bottom corner and then fold it not to the middle, but all the way to the edge of the other fold.
Okay. So it's kind of like a burrito.
Sort of. Flip it over.
So flip it over and we have to make sure the long side is on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then take this,
The right flap.
the right flap, and then fold it up, and you see this line that you have?
Yeah, in the center.
Yeah, fold it there and then crease it. So it
Okay.
has like a half of a heart.
Oh yeah, it does look like a half of a heart.
And then take the other side and do the same thing.
Okay.
You flip it over,
Okay, you flip it over.
and then you take the sides and fold it. Now,
So it's the side where there's a flap where your folds are, right?
Like this.
Okay.
And then do the same thing. And then you see these flaps up here? It's too pointy for a heart. So fold it where it ends, like to this line, that's where it ends.
Oh, so the triangle point goes
Yeah.
to the line. Okay, got it.
And then do the same thing.
Okay.
Flip it over, and you have a heart.
Oh, fancy! I like that we picked the two colors too.
And then if you tape this, you can open it, and it's like you can put stuff in it.
Yeah, you can make lots of crafts out of this, huh? So should we get our crafting going? Yeah, so we're gonna make lots of hearts and then draw a girl and make her dress out of all these hearts. Okay, art along friends, feel free to follow along with us for the drawing too, but you can use these hearts for any sort of craft idea that you may have. So let's get crafty. I'm just gonna draw a little girl with a circle head.
Oh, are you drawing a ballerina?
Yeah, she's like a dancer person. So I have this teeny tiny origami paper that I'm gonna use for the hearts. Well, art along friends, we also have how to make a origami shark head that you made with your uncle. That was fun.
I'm gonna make a card.
Oh, nice.
I don't know what I want to give it. Who I want to give it to though.
Well, Father's Day is coming up. We are going to make a different Father's Day card later on too. So art along friends, come check out our channel later for a spectacular Father's Day card. Get it? Spectacular. You'll find out why we called it spectacular on that episode. Do you think it's easier for people with bigger fingers to fold or little fingers?
Little fingers.
Little fingers? Why do you think that?
Because little fingers go with little things and big fingers go with big things. Ooh! Let's make a heart. I'm gonna make a heart trophy.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Trophy stand.
Yeah, dads love trophies, huh?
Mhm.
Or at least our dad does.
Mhm. That blue is amazing. It is my favorite in the entire world.
This exact color in this crayon box.
Yep.
Wow. Well, this color is blue-green. This was a big project. I wonder what our art along friends are gonna do with their hearts. All right. Well, there you have it, art along friends. An origami heart.
Like and subscribe to Art Along.
See you next time.
Bye.